Even the packaging alone, chai, is really nice. Guys, look at this. So this is 100 ml. This is also like a wholesale platform. When you look down here, they've got their WhatsApp number. So you can basically WhatsApp them directly, as you can see here. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Of course, my name is Kwame. Today, I want us to look at how you can start your own perfume business. Okay, so buy perfumes, bring it to Ghana or wherever you're watching this from and sell for profit. I'm from Ghana and there's this trend going in Ghana. A lot of people are getting into the perfume business because it's a huge market. Who doesn't want to smell good? Everyone wants to smell good. And most people are now buying their perfumes from the UAE, specifically from Dubai. You know, the Arab perfumes got this unique smell and the fragrance they use is very unique, and some perfumes can stay on your body for like the whole day. So basically you put the perfume on and it's going to stay on you for like a whole 24 hours. If you know this market and you give your consumers what they are looking for, trust me, you do really well in this business. Myself and my family, we are basically perfume collectors, and as I'm speaking to you, I've got like hundreds of perfumes and we buy these perfumes from the UAE. Today, I'll quickly give you a business overview in regards to how you can get started. I'll also share some websites you can basically go there, buy these perfumes, ship to your home country and start selling for profit. Or if you are someone that understands this perfume business and you want to add your own private label to some of these wholesalers in Dubai, will be able to do that for you. Some companies will even go to the extent of mixing the perfumes for you. So you buy the oil, then you just mix it yourself. Most times people just want to buy perfumes that sells. They ship it to their home country, put their profit on and sell for profit. You can buy any size. So as I'm speaking to you now, I've got like small sizes here. So these are like 75 ml David Beckham. All right, so these are small sizes. You'll be able to find these in the UAE too. They've got like the medium size too. So we've got one for the ladies and one for the men. So these are also medium sizes too. Yeah, and this is 100 ml. So the first one I showed you was 75 ml, and this is 100 ml, and you can look at the brand. So this is called Your Touch, as you can see here, but this was made by Alhambra. Yeah, so these are all from the UAE. They have different sizes. You find some that also comes in a size like this. Yep. And you find others that are bigger. Okay, yeah, so there are lots of this sort of perfumes on the market, and most people also buy the perfumes because of the packaging. Yeah, yes, the perfume will have this beautiful, like the fragrance is very beautiful, it's going to smell really good. And also most consumers do not just buy, what do you call it, do not buy just for the fragrance, just for the smell. They also buy it because of the packaging. Especially our ladies, they'll buy because of the packaging. When you see this one, for example, the packaging looks really well. Let me just open one for you guys. So there's one here too. Yeah, so again, when you look at the box really looks good. And also this is the perfume. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, so also if you want to do well, the packaging will also sell the perfume. Yeah, the perfume. Oh my God, this is beautiful. The smell is really nice, and this will stay on you for a very long time. So people will also buy because of the packaging. Let me open more. So I've got one here. I'll quickly open it. Yeah. So that's the other one called Your Touch. Yeah, again, let's look at the packaging. So the box looks good, and the actual perfume too. You see, nice packaging. So if you you want to do your own private label too, there are some companies that will get you the perfume and you'll be able to put your own brand on it. Yeah, and most of the perfumes from the UAE, they can be shipped worldwide. So they have like a worldwide standard. So you can ship to Africa, you can ship to the US, to Australia, to the Pacifics, to the UK, to Europe. You'll be able to ship worldwide. Yeah, so guys, these are all perfumes you can basically buy from the UAE. So this is like a bigger size. And there are even some that are even bigger than this one. So with this one, it's also like 100 ml. Yeah, but look at the packaging. The packaging looks really, really big. Let me open this one too. Guys, I'll jump on the PC now and I'll share some websites to be able to buy this sort of perfumes from. If you also want to learn more, you can join our community platform by Sell Club. So see, this one, for example, so this one is called Peace and Love, and it's made by Latafa. You can see the brand name right there. Yeah, so Latafa. See, so it comes in a box like that, and when you finish with the box too, they give you like a nice, what do you call it, booklet, which talks about the sort of ingredients they basically used. You can scan the QR code, and they talk about the fragrance they used and the rest. And it's in another package. So this can also be good for those that wants to gift people. So if your friends and families, they're having their birthdays too, people will like to buy the perfume for them because even the packaging alone, chai, is really nice. Guys, look at this. So this is 100 ml, but look at the packaging alone. Yeah, so even if this perfume doesn't smell good, someone will buy it because of the packaging. See, you'll be able to close the perfume like this. Look at this packaging. If you buy this for your loved ones, don't you think they'll love it? So the perfume business sells a lot. See, the packaging alone, guys, is just wonderful. Too beautiful. And look at this, guys. It's just 100 ml, but people will just buy it because of the packaging. So yes, if you're looking for quality perfumes, you'll be able to find some in the UAE. And I highly suggest you go and buy some. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, this smells good. So this is for men. Yeah. So this is for men. So Kwame Chumesi, I'm going to be putting this on me. I'll also open one that is for the ladies, okay? And let me quickly open one for the ladies. I think this one is for the ladies. Yeah, so this one is also by Athiri, as you guys can see here. And I think this is also 100 ml. Let me quickly check. Yeah, so this is also 100 ml, as you guys can see here. 100 ml. Again, let's look at the packaging. So if you know the sort of perfume you want to buy, you can either travel to Dubai or we are in 2026. You don't really have to travel to Dubai to find a legit supplier. Yeah, so this one too, nice packaging as you can see here. When you open it, looks really beautiful. So if you gift this perfume to your loved ones, your wife, your girlfriend, don't you think they'll love you forever? And it's got that bumblebee. See? It's got that bumblebee on it. This is just too beautiful. So look at the perfume, guys. This is too beautiful. So the perfume business, if done well, can make you a lot of money. What I'll basically do now is I'll quickly jump on the PC and share some websites you'll be able to buy these perfumes from. But before we do that, what I want to say is those that wants to get started, people make a lot of mistakes. And the sort of mistakes they make is they just go and find like the cheapest perfume. Yeah, and they ship to their home country and they sell. Don't do that. Yeah, one thing I've studied about Ghanaians is they want something that is branded. Yeah, so if your perfume is not well known, yeah, and people will not like patronize it. Yeah, this is the honest truth. I'll say that buy something that is well known, something that is on the market, and something that people are talking of, so you can sell easily. And with those that also want to get started, I know most people want to mix their own oils, but if you don't have that experience, I'll also suggest you buy from the wholesaler, okay, perfumes that are trending, you ship it to your home country, then you test the market. If a certain perfume is going quickly, then you focus on that sort of perfume. People want to open their own perfume shop and buy a lot, but you need a lot of capital because this sort of perfumes, Guys, they are not cheapo. Yeah, so if you want to just buy one or two, or let's say you want to buy 100 of these, they are not cheap. It's capital intensive, so you need a lot of capital. So I'll say that if you are just getting started, buy a couple. Don't just go and buy something that is cheap and buy like thousands of those. Selling those sort of perfumes is going to be very difficult for you. But if you can just buy perfumes that are trending, branded perfumes that people know, okay, buy them, ship it to your home country, and test the market. Okay, if people are patronizing it, they know that okay, this sort of perfume, a lot of people wants it, then you just keep buying and selling. Without talking too much, I'll jump on the PC, share some websites with you guys so you can start that perfume business today. Okay, guys, so these are few wholesalers you guys can basically patronize, all right? So to get started, we have the Dubai Order. I call them Dubai Order or Dubai Odd. All right, so go to Dubai Odd. They've written here your perfume wholesaler. So when you go on their website, this is like a wholesale platform. All right, you can basically contact them if you want to buy more, or if you just want to buy one and give it a try, you can also do that. So you have the best sellers here. When you click on the best sellers, this will give you their best selling perfumes. Yeah, so as you can see, they've listed their best selling perfumes here, and they've got the brand names here. Yeah, when you come down here to, you can go to the filters. Yeah, so if you want like 12 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml, yep, you'll be able to find them here. All right, so this is one website you can basically patronize their perfumes. They've got gift sets here too. Okay, so perfumes as a gift set, this also sells really well. The next on the list is we have Soak Dubai. Yeah, guys, if I don't pronounce it properly, then you forgive me. You have the Soak Dubai. This is also like a wholesale platform. When you look down here, they've got their WhatsApp number, so you can basically WhatsApp them directly, as you can see here. Okay, so again, they've also got a lot. All right, you can also come here and you filter. Yeah, so all these perfumes from what do you call it, from Dubai. Yeah, so you got Soak Dubai, another good wholesaler platform. You can basically patronize their services. As you can see at the top here, wholesale only. So this is for wholesalers, all right? So you can also patronize their services. We also have one. Yeah, next on the list is Al Haramain. Yeah, so Al Haramain too. This is also like a wholesale platform. They've got their WhatsApp number here on the corner. You'll be able to WhatsApp them. But if you want to buy just one, you'll be able to buy them here. They've got their collections. They've got a perfume oil collection. They also got the perfumes here. So if you only want the oil too, you can patronize. Yeah, and as I said, they are not cheap. Yeah, they are not cheap, guys. Yeah, so this is another, what do you call it, platform you can patronize. We have another one. This is like a huge wholesale Fak Rodin Souk. Yeah, so they basically sell to most of the African and Asian countries. Yeah, so as you can see, are the best wholesaler and distributor in Africa, GCC, Africa, and Asia. They have a lot of collections, guys. And yeah, what do you call it? Their prices are also very affordable. Yeah, so with this one too, they have a lot of varieties when it comes to perfumes and fragrance. So this is another one. Now, with the next ones I'm going to basically share with you guys, they are also wholesalers, but you also be able to do, what do you call it, private label. Yeah, the ones I shared, they don't basically focus on private label, but with these ones, they focus, if you want private label, like you basically want to put your own, what do you call it, your own brand on it too, they'll be able to do that for you. Yeah, so one is Samawa. Yeah, so Samawa, they'll be able to do the private labels for you. We have, what do you call it, Inyaya's Perfumes. So with these, they basically also sells the oil. So those that wants to mix their own perfumes, get their own bottles, and create their own perfumes, they do that. Yeah, so Inaya's Perfume too, they do the private label. Yeah, so this is their brand, and they basically focus on selling the oil, the perfume oil, to you guys. For those that wants to mix their own perfumes, or for those that wants to create their own perfumes, yeah, you buy the oil from them. Yep, then you go and create your own perfume. Yeah, so this is another one. They also do private label. Okay, so Inaya's Perfumes. And last but not the least, we also have 3fperfumes.com. Yeah, so with these ones too, they'll even mix it for you. As you can see here, private label perfumes, manufacturers in UAE. Yeah. So with these people too, if you want to create your own brand, you can go see them and they will basically, what do you call it? Mix your perfume for you. Now, for those that wants to actually travel to Dubai too, yes, you can go to Dubai yourself. So when you go to Dubai, there are two places you can basically go and look for this sort of wholesalers. Okay, you can go there and speak to them one on one. Yeah, so one will be Diera or Mushit Bazaar. It's like a big wholesale hub where on the streets you find a lot of wholesalers. They don't just sell perfumes, but they sell other products. So this is like one of the busiest wholesalers hub in the UAE. It's called Diera or Muship Bazaar. I'll leave the name on the screen now. And there's one too that is like a heavy place for perfumes. So heavy perfume trading zone. It's called Al Shabka Road. So when you go to Al Shabka Road in the UAE, yeah, you find a lot of perfume wholesalers there. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching and you're looking for a platform that can help you get started with your mini importation business, join Buy Sell Club community. If you're also looking for other suppliers in the UAE for your perfume business, join Buy Sell Club community and we'll share perfume suppliers with you guys. My name is Kwame. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yes, bye for now.